In today's video, I'm going to teach you list your token on UniSwap exchange. Think of this as creating the initial liquidity pool that makes your token discoverable and tradable. Before you start, make sure you have your token contract details verified from an official source and enough funds in your wallet to cover deposits and network fees. Begin by opening the UniSwap app in your browser. Once it loads, move to the pool section. This is where new liquidity positions are created, and it's the path for listing your token through a pool. Choose New to start a fresh position. You'll be prompted to set up the trading pair. Select the counterpart you want to pair with. Many projects choose a major asset like ETH or a popular stablecoin for broader accessibility, and then choose your token. If your token doesn't appear in search, paste its verified contract address from a trusted source to avoid lookalikes. Next, pick a fee tier. Lower fees can suit highly correlated or stable pairs, while higher fees can make sense for more volatile or niche tokens. The right tier balances trader appeal with rewards for liquidity providers, so match it to how you expect your market to behave. Continue to the pricing screen. You'll see the current price reference if there's existing liquidity for the pair. If you're first, your deposit ratios will effectively establish the initial price. Take a moment to confirm the reference price aligns with your expectations and market data. You'll also see price strategy options. UniSwap uses concentrated liquidity, which lets you choose a price range where your capital is active. Narrow ranges can earn higher fees if the market stays within your band, but they can go inactive if the price moves out. A broader range provides more uptime and stability. When you reach the deposit section, enter the amounts for each side of the pair. The app will calculate the matching amount automatically based on price and your range. Double-check token symbols and amounts and ensure you've left a cushion for gas. If prompted, review and approve standard token permissions so the app can use your tokens. If you want your pool to remain active across the widest possible market, choose full range. This spreads your liquidity across all prices, which is common for new listings aiming for continuous tradability from day one. That's it. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize, and your token will be live with a liquidity pool on UniSwap, ready for trading and visible to users and aggregators.